Hey everyone, welcome viewers. Today we're diving into a handy feature that's often overlooked on Android devices, USB OTG or on the go. Whether you want to connect external devices to your smartphone like a keyboard, a mouse, or even a flash drive, OTG can make it happen. Stick around as I guide you through enabling OTG on your Android device. Let's get started. First things first, let's understand what OTG is. USB on the go is a standard that allows mobile devices to talk to one another. Traditionally, mobile devices could only connect to a PC, but with OTG, your device can host other USB devices. You might be wondering, is my device compatible? Well, most Android devices that run Android 3.1 or newer support OTG, but to be sure, let's do a quick check. So download an OTG Checker app from the Google Play Store. There are several free options available. Once installed, open the app and it will immediately tell you if your device supports OTG. If your device is compatible, great. You're one step closer. If not, don't worry, there might still be a way through routing, but that's a topic for another video. Now, what you need to do is head over to your settings. The exact path can vary, but you're looking for options related to connected device, advanced or more settings. On some devices, you might find an OTG connection. Toggle there. If you do, make sure it's turned on. With OTG enabled, it's time to connect. You'll need an OTG adapter or cable. This little accessory converts your device's micro USB or USB-C port into a full-size USB port. Simply plug the OTG cable in your phone, then connect your USB device to other end. It could be a flash drive, a keyboard, or even a game controller. And voila, your Android device should recognize the connected device. You can now browse files on a USB drive, type using an external keyboard, or enjoy gaming with a controller.